We're going to use a completely PC-free method on the latest Android updates to recover your device. If it has a screen lock or a forgotten Gmail account. In this video tutorial, we'll explain step by step how to recover your device without much hassle. With that said, here's what we're going to do now. It's about connecting to a Wi-Fi network, and we'll get to where that screen lock appears. Here we can see that little padlock. We'll click here on Next, we'll click here on Skip. We'll get there and connect to a Wi-Fi network. We'll click here on Skip, we'll connect to a network, then we'll click Next. We'll get to the point where we'll click here, More, Accept, and Continue. And as we indicated, we'll also lock appears. Screen. We also have other completely different methods. A method using a PC and a method without a PC. We've left those video tutorials in the video description. And also in the first pinned comment, you'll be able to find all those other methods. Updated methods where we'll explain step by step how to recover your device without complications. Well, here we're going to get to where that screen lock appears. Which is why we're here. We forgot about the screen lock. What we did was format it. After formatting, we're left with the Google account. Here it says, use my Google account, for those who know they've forgotten their screen lock but do know their Google account. We can add it here, click Next. Add the password, and it will give us access. It's that easy and quick to recover our device. But if you've forgotten that too, then you're going to do this. Click here where it says, Forget Gmail, type this here. Click here, type this here as well. And click Next, do this for 30 seconds. This will help us recover our device in one of the easiest and fastest ways. Without complications, without needing a PC. Once those 30 seconds are up, we're going to go back to the home screen. We're going back to the home screen. We're going to use another phone. We're going to search for another phone. It can be anyone. What do we need? Well, the first thing we need is a screen lock. That would be the first thing. Having a Wi-Fi network connection would be the second. And the third would be having a Google account. Having a Google account added to our phone. Here, we have our Google account, said. All that, we have the Google account. The screen lock, and the Wi-Fi network, we're going to click here on Start, we're going to click here on Skip, and now we're going to connect where it says, Configure Android. We're going to connect here, this QR code will appear. In some cases our device will read it automatically. You're going to click here, but if it doesn't read it, then what you're going to do is go to this little camera here in Google. In the Google search engine, this little camera will appear to scan a QR code. You're going to give it all the permissions. You're going to click Open, and then what you're going to do is scan this QR code where this option to sign in will appear. You're going to sync both You're going to sync it, it's going to ask for the screen lock from this phone. We're going to sync it to this other one, so we sync the screen lock and we add the Google account automatically. The Google account we have here on this phone will be added and automatically synced here with the same screen lock. We add the screen lock and now we can set the device aside, and what we're going to do here is this. We're going to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. This is to make our phone restart automatically. We're going to wait a few seconds until it restarts. But let's say in your case it doesn't restart but the phone turns off. What we're going to do is press the power button. We're going to press the power button and wait for our phone to restart. Once our phone restarts and takes us to the home screen, we're going to complete the recovery process. One of the easiest and fastest ways to configure our phone is to watch the step-by-step video tutorial to the end. You know, for those who want to see completely different methods, we've included other methods in the video description and in the first pinned comment so you can apply those methods. Click here on Skip, click Skip. Wait a few seconds to be taken to the section. Here you'll see that your Google account was successfully added. Click Accept and Continue. Let's wait for the option that says your Google account was successfully added. Wait. We're almost at the last steps of completing the recovery process. That's why it's recommended to watch the video tutorial step by step without skipping ahead so you don't miss any details. Here we can see that our account was successfully added. Click Next. Wait a few seconds, and now this will take us directly to the next settings. Click here where it says Don't Copy. Click where it says Don't Copy. Here you'll still see the email address. Click up here, click Accept, click Accept. Click here on Skip Pin. Click Skip, click here. We wait a few more seconds, and now we're about to recover our device in one of the easiest ways. We click Skip, then Next, and then Next. Here we'll click Finish, and we'll have our device fully recovered in one of the easiest and fastest ways. Without needing a PC. It's a completely PC-free method. One of the easiest and fastest ways. For those who want to see other video tutorials, we've included other methods in the video description and in the first pinned comment so you can also watch those video tutorials. That's all for today's video tutorial.